Welcome to the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, Ontop Star Times channel 195. And this is the ogbonge politic topical discussion show, as it is hot. Every weekday from 10 to 11 with the carry topic where they come out smoke, come drop out for your front, make una discuss and chook out for inside the matter as it is hot. Today, what we carry come? We still there in the mood of election. Sake of say on the 11th of April, Nigerians go come out again to select who go become the governor of their state and who go represent them for the state houses of assembly. Election things now we go discuss, but we get some other interesting gist when we say we go talk about like the action film when they happen for Ekiti state, and the talk when we say the traditional leader of Lagos, Oba Rilwan Akiolu, talk when we say a lot of people don't chook mouth for inside the matter to look waiting and talk about. My name na Chook. And as usual, I get my brother when sabi well as it take concern every matter we they discuss on top of this show as it is hot.
Good morning, Nigerians, and welcome to today's edition of As It Is Hot. That politic matter where the politic program where they bring issues we concern our obodo Nigeria coming out the month. Chook they don't launch the matter, and then for us to just dissect and break and down to our own delight. And as usual, I not also forget say now we be the only TV station or at least we the offer the opportunity to do it to try us on 3 different telephone line, and we can also sunch now with waiting 1 toll-free line. That is toll-free line now. Now go they call, we go answer, Nigerians go here now, but the payment will go, now we go take the charge, now we go do the payment. My name never still change, my name now Unkubi, and this now As It Is Hot.
We there on top of social media too, we there on top of Facebook, we there on top of Twitter, and we get a website where if you send us email to, all the gist when you they carry come, everything when you think about them, just the sunch on top of there, and we go to discuss the matter. And Unkubi, no need to waste time, you know, you get waiting we been the discuss, you know, before the show start, and as he says somehow your body the thing up you like say you're not too happy, but I go just appeal to you.
Ordinarily, who be the person who go listen, who go hear that kind of talk? Maybe so we even see the footage right now, and who be the person who go hear that kind of talk? Considering the fact of where some of these people come from, you understand? We go feel say yes, think they happy about them.
But we go calm down first.
No, we go calm down. But that one not mean say make we not also to an extent. Anyway, we be mouthpiece. Our own to just make sure say we implore peace and all that. Make we not go they say no. If since they want that way, make we say give them that way. You know go work because if they take our own move, they take the fine waiting people they talk. You know go good though. But because I say we did that peace, we they pledge for another peace. We want make it rain.
Okay, make we first start with what we carry come. What we carry come now? What they call 3-course meal. That is to say, we divide them into 3 parts. The first one we go discuss now the action film when they happen for Ekiti State. When we wrap up that one, we go enter waiting the Oba of Lagos talk. We go analyze them, can't draw our own conclusion before we can discuss what will happen on the 11th of April. You go call to tell us what you think say if it happen for inside your state. Make we begin the countdown to see as the thing go. On the 6th of April, the governor of Ekiti State, Ayodele Fayose, remember say before the election, when we say General Muhammadu Buhari can win, Ayodele Fayose, he be like say, now in the run things for Ekiti State with seven lawmakers.
Yes,
when we say they use the control 19 people. But as APC can win the election now for the center, the other 19 lawmakers, when the APC people, it can't be like say their ginger come out because then give them order from the National Secretariat, say, make them proceed, go to the State House of Assembly, make them go resume sitting. But something can happen. They say as the people then here say, okay, these Ekiti lawmakers go come, these APC people, say people can't carry waka go court. They go the National Assembly, the State House of Assembly, sorry. They carry DJ, arrange, carry speaker, arrange, carry canopy, put, carry mama, put, on generator, everything. They begin the dance for the State House of Assembly. Come talk say, these 19 people when talk say they want to impeach the governor. If they're really ready to impeach the governor, maybe they can impeach the governor for the front of, in quote, Ekiti people. Now, this, we question one ask now, and I say, the action of these lawmakers, when we say, since they never do anything, case they court, Now, because of say they don't win election for center, they can't decide say na the time to comot Ayodele Fayose. And the people wey can't go for state house of assembly, go open restaurant. Is it not I go speak English? Is it not tantamount to a state of Igudi?
Any time we want use take the final. Me, I know they to say okay, maybe we can't argue say I know the Pigudi or whatever time. But the thing is this, everything get due process. Now it's not believing. Everything get due process. Okay, the lawmakers will face it. Yes, they're not today happy over as Ekiti government they take waka. Okay, then get their own choice to do it to carry the matter go court. Which of course they don't do.
The case they court.
Which of course they don't do. The case get they court. So now for them to just wait for a result. And this action film where they come and say yes, so we don't take over federal level, and for that reason we don't take ginger to do it to come make sure say we'll knock you out of that place. Say we won't call resume sitting. You know they be like that.
But the people went carry waka to go.
And I come on that. And I know say the lot of drama dey Ekiti well. Lots of drama dey Ekiti.
People just wake up for their house.
No be today.
Don't say they don't want to do Easter Monday for house. Now for the state house of assembly, they won't go to celebrate Easter Monday.
No be today. We're going to begin to see Ekiti state drama. It don't take. Now no be something of today. It don't take. So I no go dey surprised to probably see them say yes. Say tomorrow. Say they declare, maybe they do Valentine's Day today.
They won't play match.
Or they won't play match for government.
And you know, say
the
way Ayodele Fayose dey now. If you just tell UEFA president, say when they go play Champions League final for inside Ekiti, just so that.
But imagine, but even like that, for government house for crying out loud, where they say they
state house of assembly, we're supposed to be like the base
now monument. Now some place we say where not supposed to preserve, we're not supposed to hold on to. Says see this place now the decision making a place of the state. Now I can't turn to hey Jamajailo, let's chop there, let us go. Ne rin. Men I just enjoy they go. Oh my God.
You know what will happen?
Oh my God.
You know, say we now,
God.
as we dey like this now, we sabi well as it take concern all this kind of matter. We don't discuss this one. We go use this opportunity to educate people, make them know. First and foremost, case when they court, you go allow the court to settle them, or even they call them adjudicate. Now court now you go settle the matter. So case when they court, they know they talk them anyhow. Number two, these Ekiti lawmakers, make them tread with caution. I go speak English. Make them tread with caution. Why? Because of say one wrong move fit throw the state into a state of chaos and anarchy. Then number three, the people wey come decide say if we dey for inside the state house of assembly, they play with DJ, they chop. These lawmakers they no go fit enter. Make them apply wisdom because all of this fit still lead to confusion and problem inside the Ekiti state.
Sincerely, make we just tell and make we say and bluntly, make we just tell and say both parties dey wrong in their actions.
But it be like saying that the APC people now then get more fault.
Either no, I don't make you bring that part.
Talk true now.
No, bring that part here. We
true.
dey try dey neutral over this issue. No, just make.
I dey neutral.
No. I don't want that one from you.
I use neutral.
I don't want that one from you. Ozugogi, I don't want that from you.
I use neutral talk am now.
No, you don't take any neutral talk anything.
Say I 19.
You deliberately said it to my face. Say now it be like the APC now then they fall.
It be like saying now neutral.
Okay, una wanna go there organize party for state assembly.
No, na Ekiti people talk say if una want impeach our governor. Impeach him for our front.
So
our governor.
Imagine, as if you know now as all this kind of politics thing they go.
You see, you know, now you be saying now una front.
No, now una self well organized party for that same environment. We say where they not supposed to hold sacred. Why not hold on sacred?
When we start this thing, we been talk true.
Now you start now you first try and give me.
Oh, yeah, no verse.
So see, the thing is that both ends, both parties they are at fault in this case because one. The issue is still pending in court. Now for now to just wait, me na proceed them, me na move on with na court case until the judge or whoever they judge go decide say na like this I don't judge this matter based on the facts and this one I don't provide. Then on the side of this other political party, okay, people say they won't come resume sitting. Will how it take be our own problem? Okay, now they fear say if they resume sitting, say they will impeach the governor waiting because that would be the biggest fear. So for that reason, I can't look at say no. The only reason we will take distract or stop this from entering, now to organize a party for a sacred ground. No, now how Chook, no jail, jail. So this is what I'm saying. Look, everything get procedure, and I go also implore make Ekiti people know how they will take do it in. Make them know how they will take follow up this whole entire drama thing, this whole system, so that in the end, it no go lead to something we will not go on hear about. It no go lead to violence in the state. No go lead to say no, okay, because of say this person come from this political party, this person come from, and for that reason, make they tackle ourselves, make they beat ourselves, so make it no literal. In the end, I just find a stable ground when I will feel resolve this issue and move on with at least development from our state, because the now own focus now to just develop the people and also develop the government in your state.
No,
Wait.
no. As in, for the first time since we don't start this as the odds, body no be me like say, may I use word hit you anyhow. I do say as our papa win this election, the thing not bring peace come on top of us in the odds. Unkubi, you know the way when this thing they did before now. You know so they take am easy with you before.
Like
and now why you can't talk this kind of thing?
Hold on. It still feel resume like that tomorrow.
If you make it resume today, because why 19 people go they try to say they want to impeach the governor when we say now people elect? Why they gonna do that kind of thing? Which kind this thing without? Is it not capable of causing a state of chaos and anarchy in this state, destruction and doom? Not they tell me make I calm down. I don't even verse because I take it easy with you before. You can't come on top of the show. Can't do like say that you for waiting.
No, I beg.
No beg me. No beg me. No beg me.
See, I don't see the vex.
No beg me.
Even I did surprise see the vex.
No beg
me.
Because
this is your reaction now. Now me suppose they react this way.
Which way will you go to react?
You can't pick them up.
Ekiti people say they want Ayodele Fayose as the governor, the man they elected on the 20th of June. Yet these 19 people come out where then they all these months. Why all of a sudden they come out? Why they won't throw the country into state?
No, which one
be waiting? Which one be listening? Which one you go get problem on all this?
Oh,
because I don't take an easy with you.
Oh no.
No, they do like say you won't move. No, they do like say you won't move near me.
You don't do you.
No, they tell me anything don't do me. No, they tell me anything don't do me. We settle over this issue. Our people went there for house.
If you don't calm down, no, they shut they go. If you don't calm down, they shut they go. They open eyes for them.
No, they point me with your left hand.
They open eyes for them.
No, I don't like making the point with left hand.
Once again, they open eyes for them. I point to you. What you want to do?
Take am. We pledge peace.
Better.
Our people went there for house, and when I don't see the way when the discussion they go, we don't discuss the Ekiti action film. We talk and say every of the key players when they involve, make them take am easy. One, the governor, now the people of the state, the majority people now they elect them. Now he be the governor of the state. He's supposed to do everything to ensure say the state move forward. Number two, the lawmakers. Whether 7, whether 19, make them they cautious because now there are people that they represent and they don't go want to make the state spoil. Then number 3, the people when they involved. Some people when we say that then they push the governor, now then they push the lawmakers. God pass una, with the beg una, make una not throw the state into a state of anarchy and chaos. Our president-elect General Muhammadu Buhari, our father, he don't talk and say, na collective will we go use move this country forward. Good luck, Ebele Jonathan, the president, my father. He don't talk and say we need to make sacrifice for this country. If my two papa them don't talk this kind of thing, why we want to throw this country into anarchy and chaos? I beg, no go take am easy.
In fact, this picture what they even they see so. Anyway, we could not go there. They block entrance.
Now you go introduce the next.
Anyway, the next discussion we'll get for Nana. This is a very sensitive discussion where we say if you go across the state now, it don't raise counter reaction from in the minds of people. That is, people don't react. People don't vex already over this matter. Say why somebody will say we will hold with so much respect a royal father. Somebody will say he's supposed to be father of the state. We're supposed to lead by example. You understand? Somebody will say every Lagosian they look up to say, yes, when Christ is there or when Bege day, now people like this will call to do it and to make sure say them can't settle whatever issue where they on ground. When they talk about the statement where the Oba of Lagos, that is Obarilu and Akiolu, where he talk when some set of people come go visit them, so you can make some very I go talk in a very funny statement. But according to what in talk say in no talk, say in the threaten this thing. So in just talk to make them vote for somebody. And now waiting he say he talk, say he no threaten this thing. But the footages we will see, that also proves, so to an extent, that also proves, say no, say it not to be like that. Say the Oba, you get some things where he talk. You get some things where he take, where he say ordinarily. If you just tell operation, make people dey vex, come they say why, and for that reason, cause lead to something we no go want. You understand? So I mean, it is annoying, especially when you come in a particular ethnic group or a particular sect of people, they throw that into. Oh, I mean, Chukudi.
But the truth we say, make we make these things, they're very, very clear. Number one, Nigeria and a society or Nigeria and a country when we say everybody, irrespective of where you come from, because we get state of origin, irrespective of where you come from, you fit go
anywhere. As long as you're a citizen of this country, even if not the last point of the border, we say we divide us with another country, and they say decide. As long as that place still falls into Nigeria, you are a citizen of Nigeria, and you get every right to say you won't stay there.
So long as say all the activity when you do, no be the one when be say go illegal, or you go put, or you go endanger the lives of people. You get the freedom and the right to live for anywhere. And if you live for anywhere, you must comply with the rules and regulations.
When they guide that particular place.
And waiting with the rules and regulations when they guide all of us inside Nigeria. Now our constitution.
Exactly.
Now, the Oba of Lagos, His Royal Majesty, Oba Rilwan Akiolu, custodian of the rich cultural heritage of the Yoruba people for this part of the country. The Ezendi Igbo, the man wey call himself Ezendi Igbo of Lagos, because those of us who study government, we know say the Igbo is an egalitarian society.
Exactly.
Based on say na age grade setting. You understand?
Now they run for our own society.
And people they do and based on say okay, now una be this, now una be this. See what una supposed to do. But this man wey call himself the Ezendi Igbo of Lagos, that is the king of Igbo people.
For Lagos,
so him and some people then go pay wetin people they call courtesy visit to the Oba of Lagos. Now, as they go visit the Oba of Lagos, the reason why they go now because of say, okay, based on the way when the election go, because if not be based on the way when the election take go, the Oba for no talk, go that direction. The Oba can't collect microphone after everybody don't talk, because now your own audio and video we see, he can't talk and say, if people no vote for the candidate of in choice, the person when he talks, okay, now this person we wanna vote for, say so thing go happen to them. Many people don't come out when they talk, say, he no supposed to talk this kind of thing. Because everybody when they live for Lagos now in Pekin, whether the person come from Ugwa Hausa, that is, whether the person is a Hausa person, or whether the person come from Ali Igbo, whether the person is a Igbo person, or anywhere when the person come from, we are all Nigerians. Now, when the president of Nigeria, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, go visit the Awujale of Ijebu-Ode, based on, say, campaign train, the Awujale show him his hands, say, my hands are clean. As the custodian of my people and their culture, I no go tell them say na this person una go vote for. I go tell them say make una vote una choice, make una vote una conscience. The right person una wan vote for, when una think say na him go do am, make una go vote for. Now wetin we expect say the Oba go talk, no be to come talk say if una no vote for so and so person, so thing go happen to una.
Exactly.
It is somehow.
Chukudi, I get two things why I even want to talk based on this. The Oba, in his own position as the Oba, as a royal father, suppose even they neutral when it comes to issues. No, say if he take his own side though, but make it no make
because he get PVC.
Exactly.
And he go vote.
Exactly. But make it no come out. Can they declare and can they make this and say now this person? You understand? Because the position where in the occupy now position will be say Nigerians at large hold so preciously. You understand? Now position people they respect so much. Okay, me we can't even look at the two people involved. Okay, he don't say now this person they support. But the other person, she not be from this same state he come from. She the person not be aboriginal of this same state. He is. And which gives him that title, that right to also say in one contest, if in one contest. And let us also make one thing very clear. People will bring out someone like Jimmy Agbaje, and they're from the southwest, and the Lagosians, who want make you represent us. Why the Oba? Why the Oba knows address their own matter? Say you from these people, we bring us this person. You when they support you Westerners or Southwest or Lagosians, so they support this thing Jimmy Agbaje. So you make na mind that said, me na make sure I support this person. Why you no talk am? Why you can't be saying people will be say suppose they protect their interests, even mostly. Now you can't they address through such harsh statements. They threaten them. You understand? I mean, it was overwhelming. e dey enough to just stir up reactions wey people no go wan see eventually.
If you no go talk am, I go talk am.
Talk am.
If you no go talk am, I go talk am.
am.
On top of this show, as e dey hot, when we hear say Governor Rotimi Amechi talk say they go form parallel government, we condemn abi we no condemn?
Of course, we condemn am.
When Ayodele Fayose talk say no to state burial, say if Oga Buhari win election, he don too old. We condemn abi we no condemn?
Of course, we condemn am.
When Mama Peace, the first lady of Nigeria, talk say if anybody talk say he no be PDP, he dey support this party, make una stone am. We condemn abi we no condemn am? When Fani Kayode talk, we condemn abi we no condemn am? This one when the Oba of Lagos don talk, on top of as e dey hot, we go condemn am. But before we condemn am, we go this break, come back to continue the discussion as e dey hot.